Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. In this video, we are going to have a look at this port of LangChain in Go language called as LangChain Go. Not only we will be installing it locally, I will also show you how you can use it with Ollama, and we will also see how you can interact with large language models in Go language in most easy way by using this LangChain Go. LangChain Go is simply a port of LangChain in the Go language. If you don't know what Go language is, Go language is also known as Golang. It is a statically typed, compiled, designed to be concurrent and garbage collected programming language developed by Google. Go aims to provide an efficient, simple, and safe way to build scalable and concurrent systems. And it is quite a popular choice when it comes to build cloud native applications, distributed systems, and also networked applications. Ollama is also written in Go language, by the way. A lot of other AI tools, which I have also covered on the channels, have been primarily written in Go. Ollama, if you don't know what Ollama is one of the easiest way to run large language models in quantized format locally. I already have covered Ollama a lot on the channel as how to get it installed and how to use it in various scenarios. Please search the channel and you should be able to find more than 500 to 600 videos on Ollama alone. I already have Ollama installed, so what we are going to do, we are going to quickly install Go language on our Ubuntu system and then we will play around with it. Before I do that, let me give a huge shout out to our good friends at AgentQL who are sponsoring this video. AgentQL is a query language that turns any web page into a data source, and I will drop the link to their website in a video's description to check them out. Their tool is quite good, by the way. Okay, so this is LangChain, and if you don't know what LangChain is, it is a very popular framework to build AI powered applications. As I said that I already have covered it a lot on the channel, but we are focusing on this LangChain Go, which is LangChain's implementation in Go language. This is my Ubuntu system where I'm running Ubuntu 22.04 and I have one GPU card which is 48 GB of VRAM, and I already have Ollama running. As you can see, this is my Ollama which is already running, and for this one maybe I will just go with Llama 2 model. You can select any model you like. There are heaps of hundreds and hundreds of models available on Ollama. You can see that model is being downloaded on my local system from Ollama, and then it is going to verify the checksum, and then we will proceed with installing the Go. And the model is installed here. I'm just going to exit from here, and if I do Ollama list, you see that at the top Llama 2 is present now. Now let's install the Go language. For that I'm just going to go with wget command to download. Shouldn't take too long. That is all done. Next we need to unzip it or untar it. I might just put it in my local directory, and this is just unzipping or untarring it. Let's add it to our path while also running the shell script provided from this, and that should be done. And from there we just need to run or source this Go with the shell script, and Go is installed, and you can see that we are at the latest version of Go at the moment. Okay, so now let's run the Go program with the help of Ollama. I'm just going to clear from here. I'm just going to create a new directory. You can call it whatever you like. In this new directory, I'm just going to create a new module or initialize it, and that is also done. So if you do ls, you will see that now we have this new initialized module of Go. We can simply create a new file. Maybe I'll call it main.go, and then you can open it in any editor of your choice. Let me paste my code here and I will explain what is happening. Okay, so this is a code. As you can see, it's a very typical Go code, and in this code what is happening is that First up, from the start, we are declaring that this is a Go program and it belongs to the main package, as you can see. And then we have some of the import statements where we are importing the necessary packages. For example, this context provide function for managing context, which is used to handle cancellation and timeouts. Then we have FMT for formatted IO operations. Log is for logging, of course. And then we are importing the LLMs package, which provide functions for working with large language model. And similarly, we are importing the Ollama package. And then we have main function. This is the entry point of the program where execution begins. So first up, we are initializing the model. As you can see, we are specifying the Llama 2, which we already have downloaded. Then we are giving it a query that very briefly tell me the difference between a comet and a meteor. And then from there, we are defining the query which is being sent to the LLM, and then context is being defined, which is creating a new context for the request. And then we are generating the response to the query, and also there is some error handling, and then we are printing the output back to the terminal. So let me save it. My code is saved. Now, as you saw in the code that we are having two dependencies, so we need to download those dependencies. One is the LangChain Go or LLMs. So I'm just giving it the path to it. And you can see that it has downloaded it. And similarly, you can go with the Ollama one. And that is also done. Let's clear the screen. Now we can run our Go program by simply running go run main.go, and it should print the difference between that comet and meteor on our terminal. And there you go, you see, here is a difference. A comet is a small icy body, and then it is describing the difference in a very, very brief way. So this is how you integrate your LangChain with Ollama in pure Go language. So that is how you can enjoy the benefits of concurrency, low latency. And if you're a Go developer, you don't really want to even hear about Python, then this is the way to go. Also, if you're interested in looking at my VRAM consumption at the moment, it is nothing really, just 8 GB of VRAM because I'm using Ollama, and I already have heaps of VRAM. As you can see, 48 GB of VRAM, that is courtesy Mest Compute. If you're looking to rent a GPU and VM on a very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description with a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPU. So do check them out. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about this LangChain Go. I think this is really a boon for the Go developers. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.